I'll be taking this SARS-CoV-2 antigen self-test nasal kit from Roche. So this takes about a 15-minute test. So let me open up. This is a test kit of 5 kits which you can test for 5 times. Let me open up and let you have a look on what is inside the test kit. You have an instruction manual and with different languages to tell you how do you use this kit, and this is the tube rack holder, and there are these consider one pack, so there are in each packet there are 5 packets like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have already used one yesterday, and this is called bag 1. Then they have another bag known as the pack 2 when there's the solution of the buffer inside, and there's a third pack of the swab that they have. So now I'm going to demonstrate to you how do I use this kit. So the first is you need to check the expiry date of the kit. So, and also wash your hands with your soap, or if you don't have a soap, you can use a hand sanitizer. We take out the solution inside pouch 2 and place it on this rack. Okay, so we have 5 of these, and there's a cap that it comes with each of the tube. Okay, so what you can see, I will open up now and put on this. So slowly remove the cap. Okay, you can put this aside and put this in. Okay, so now I will collect the sample. I'll need a tissue to blow my. Okay, so next remove the swab from this bag. Okay, then we can put this aside. Okay, so I need to swab each of the left and right nostril 4 times. So approximately of 15 seconds on each nostrils. So I need to tilt my head backward to take this swab and put into my nose until I face a resistance. So I'll lean slightly backward. Okay, so for the right nostril, also 4 times. You dip the swab into this liquid and squeeze the tube at the bottom. So you can see that. Put it, squeeze to the bottom to try to get the sample out to the solution. So I need to stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So next, I'll need to remove the swab and make sure that I can squeeze out the liquid out of this swab. So I need to squeeze so that it is dry and I have lots of sample inside the solution. Okay, so there's a note there. There's a note of warning saying that if you fail to squeeze the tube, it can lead to excess buffer in the swab and leads to inaccurate results. Okay, so I'll put back on the stand and dispose of this swab. Use the cap and cap tightly. You can see, just cap it. Yeah, you can just cap it tight. So I will drip the solution out of this opening. Okay, so now I'll take out the tester, the test kit. This is my sample, and this is the solution. So these are all stored in room temperature, so you do not need to put in the fridge. Okay, so for this, before you start to use, you need to check the expiration date of the pack. So it sticks expire on June 1st, 2023. So the shelf life is about 2 years. This is how the chip looks like. You can see there's a test and control. Then this is the well where you drip your sample solution. Okay. So right now I'll get ready a timer and set to 15 to 30 minutes. So if any results read before 50 minutes or after 30 minutes, the results won't be accurate. So I'll set at 20 minutes. Okay, so I'll start dripping about 4 or 5 drops onto this well. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you can see how the solutions flows from the valve to the test area. So if the negative control pass, you will see a straight line across. If you are tested positive, there's also a straight line. I'll fast forward to 20 minutes later. So the brochure will tell you how you interpret the results. First is invalid test result if there's no line at the control. You need to perform another test. Another is the positive test result. When 2 straight lines above, then you need to take this test kit to the nearest clinic and conduct a PCR test and confirm the results. Then this is the results that we want. Is a negative test result. Only one straight line is available and the other is blank. So you need to repeat the test after 1 or 2 days, as COVID-19 cannot be detected with complete accuracy during all stages of an infection. Okay, so this is the result after the incubation time. So tested negative for COVID-19, so I don't need to worry.